Okay, students. Now we'll discuss some examples. Example 29, second bit book example. Find the different derivative of y equal to sine of log x with respect to x greater than 0. Differentiate with respect to x, we get dy by dx. This is nothing, it's a composite function. So here we can use the chain rule. Sin t, suppose, so its derivative is cos t, that is cos of log x, again derivative of t means log x. Here nothing means it is base e. So I write cos of log x, and log x derivative is 1 by x. Therefore dy by dx equal to cos of log x divide x. Okay, like this way you can do. Another example from book exercise 5.4, question number 6. Y equal to e to the power x plus e to the power x square, so on, plus e to the power x to the power 5. Differentiate with respect to x, we get dy by dx. E to the power x derivative is same e to the power x, e to the power x square derivative is same e to the power x square, derivative of x square, plus e to the power x cube, derivative of x cube, plus e to the power x fourth, derivative of x fourth, e to the power x5, derivative of x5, or it is same as e to the power x plus x square derivative is 2x, e to the power x square plus x cube derivative is 3x square, e to the power x cube plus 4x cube, e to the power x fourth plus 5x fourth, e to the power x5. This is nothing else dy by dx. Clear? Now another question we will discuss. Question number 8. Y equal to log of log x. X greater than 1. Differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx equal to log of log x. If you take this log x as a t, log t derivative is 1 by t, that is 1 by log x, derivative of log x, so it is 1 by x log x. Therefore dy by dx equal to 1 by x log x. Okay. One more question we will discuss. Y equal to cos of log x plus e to the power x, x greater than 0. Differentiate with respect to x, dy by dx, chain rule, cos t, suppose this is t, minus sin t, t means log x plus e to the power x, derivative of log x plus e to the power x, or minus sin log x plus e to the power x. Log x derivative is 1 by x, e to the power derivative 1 by x. So this is nothing as minus 1 by x plus e to the power x sine of log x plus e to the power x. Clear? So like this way you will differentiate other questions of exercise 5.4. So your homework is to do this exercise. Any doubt you will ask in my WhatsApp number. Thank you.